Hello Roblox. So I have wrote this small bit of code here per this wiki. It's using quarantines, which is CPU threads. So I'm using status is where the bug comes into. So should return running, yielding, suspended, dead, and that is also in the here we go. So studio, dead, normal, running, suspended. That's what it should return. However, the only thing I actually get as a return is suspended. You'll see in the code I've written here, it's actually still running, but even though it's printing out its current status of the thread, it says it's suspended, which theoretically should be Quarantine.Yield, which suspends the execution of quarantine. So that's where the bug is. So let me go ahead and run this. Now I do have a countdown here. That way Studio can do its thing. Load. So our countdown. So this is now our thread execution, and it's actually, as you see, running. Also, as you see, it is reporting as suspended. Even though the code is currently running, according to the quarantine.status, which I have here, on this thread that's running this loop, it's suspended. It's not supposed to be actually running. And if I actually add more code, I can just add quarantine.yield, and then I'll do the thread. So that should completely stop it. However, if you'll watch, it won't. The code will continue running even though it's supposed to be completely stopped. So let's let Studio do its thing. Okay. And code should be execution. There's our new thread. There's our suspended. Okay. And that should have just went through. So there's our current status. It's done. I called quarantine.yield against our loop thread, and it's still actively running. So that's the whole bug. In theory, it's not a very bad bug, but for what I'm doing and making a thread manager where I can actively create threads and stop threads for memory management and be able to do data logging, it basically creates a very, very big issue for me because I cannot stop threads, I cannot pause threads, and overall it just becomes an issue because I now have multiple threads running on the CPU that I can't stop at all. Even though the process might be done, I can't stop them, which that's memory management and just overall CPU utilization goes way high. So, not good.